Catching a roaming event is one of my favorite things to do with inSSIDer Office. This is handy if you have multiple APs in the office and you want to see how well they're handing off to each other and at what signal strength. Okay, so I have inSSIDer Office open here at MetaGeek, and right off the bat I see a lot of networks. I'm going to first filter these networks by typing in MetaGeek. Okay, great. So here are the SSIDs that contain MetaGeek. This link sign here tells me that this is the SSID that I am currently connected to, and clicking it will break down all the physical radios. I can see that I'm connected to this radio here on channel 11 with a negative 36 dBm signal strength. Selecting the radio will highlight its signal strength over time below, which makes it easier to track as I walk across the office, which I'll go ahead and do now. As I walk closer to the second AP, I can see the signal strength lower and the signal strength of the new AP rise. Keep an eye on the link sign as it switches over to this new radio, indicating a handoff from the old AP to the new one. And there it is. I'll select the new radio to highlight its signal strength over time. I can infer that the trade-off happened a few seconds after the X spot, where the signal strength of the previous AP dipped below the rising signal strength of the new AP, which is pretty cool to see. Thanks for watching. You can find out more about our products at metageek.com.